Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I hope all of you are able to listen to me. Okay, so last time we were actually doing chapter number 10. We will continue the same chapter. But I would like to announce one important thing that soon we are going to have the second monthly test. And the second monthly test will be for our previous chapter that we had done. It was chapter number 9. Okay, so we will have the chapter number 9 for which you are going to have your second monthly test. Right now we are continuing the chapter number 10, which is more detail about the flash. Okay, let me open this file. In the meanwhile, I just open the flash software as well. Okay, so basically chapter number 10 is about creating animation in flash. Okay, this is the chapter that we are studying right now. The coming monthly test will be conducted for previous chapter, which is chapter number 9. Okay, and you know that chapter number 9 was about the drawing tools. Let me show you the previous chapter's heading that we have not only accomplished, we have also done the practical work for it. We have done the question and answers for this chapter as well. Again, the question and answers will not be, from the question and answers of the exercise only. No, the exercise questions may come over here, but the question and answers will be unseen from the text, from this text. And I will give you one revision class, inshallah, before the test so that you can see uh, that what kind of questions will be there. Just like in the previous chapter, we had the paper which was covering the text of the chapter. Okay. So chapter number 10 is the chapter that we are doing right now, but the test, monthly test will come from the chapter number 9. Okay. So drawing tools in the flash, this would be the chapter that we are going to have in your coming test. Aris, you want to ask something?
Yes, sir. I just wanted to ask.
Yes. Yes, Aris, what happened? I'm not able to listen to you. Okay, see your mic problem, Aris.
Sir, I just. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah, please.
Sir, I just wanted to say that when will you share the marks of the monthly test?
Okay, actually, I had sent the marks to your class teacher. Anyway, I return you right now. You will be able to see. Okay, the subjective question and the objective question marks. Of course, the objective question marks will also be um, returned to you. We had our
You didn't upload. I checked everything, but it was not there.
okay subjective. I am going to return you right now, and you will be able to see the objectives as well for this chapter. Okay. In subjective students, most of the students performed good. But in objective, there were mistakes, and I had discussed the question paper as well, in which I pointed out that what kind of mistakes were there. In general, I discussed the paper and I pointed out that what kind of mistakes were there that the students had done. Okay. So,
Sir, I got the subjective marks.
okay. For the other classes as well, they will also be able to see P1A and P1C. And subjective marks, I am going to return right now so that you can see. And in subjective, the result was quite better. But in objective, there were few mistakes because you people prepared it well. And I was happy that most of the students had done it in a proper way. Okay. Similarly, now we see the marks for the P1C. Uh, you will be able to see this in your Google Classroom, of course. Okay. Yes, Musa Ishtiyaq, you want to ask something? Musa Ishtiyaq.
Sir, if when will you announce it's the marks of the monthly test?
Monthly test marks I have returned for the subjective questions. You can see in your Google Classroom. The same question was there from the RAs. I have returned these marks to your in your Google Classroom. Okay. Yes, Liman Khan.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam.
Sir, I wanted to ask that, sir, when will you return the objective marks?
Yeah,
I've
I
got my.
will actually objective marks are checked by automatically. So I will see over here in the Google Classroom, and I will also return. Okay, inshallah, I will also return those marks because I will have to type. Right now, I am not returning, but I will return those marks as well so that you all of the student can see. Okay, by today or by tomorrow, inshallah, you will be able to see the
Okay,
objective
sir.
as well. Okay, so those who are asking about the objective, let me know that they will also be able to see the objective. And we had done the discussion about the objective question paper as well, so that you can know what are the mistakes. And this discussion is also available in your Google Classroom. When we discussed about the objective paper, I explained the objective paper and I told you that what were the mistakes and what is the correct answer and what is the mistakes done by the students. So we had done this discussion, and this its video is also available over here. You will be able to see the paper discussion. Okay. Yes, Remshazia. Yes, Remsha.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum Assalam. Yes, please.
Sir, have you checked the paper or subjective paper, or you are just marking full marks?
No, no, checked, and I right now I have returned also. Of course, I told you that I had sent your marks to your class teachers, but since these were not shared with you, so that's why I have returned to you the marks you can see in your Google Classroom.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Sir,
Yes, please.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum
I show
salam.
my name in the B1A people who submitted and turned in their subjective paper. When you turned in and just returned it to us, I didn't receive any notification till now.
Sorry, your question is not clear.
Sir, I saw my name written in the B1A from turned in students, and when you returned, I saw my
Okay.
name there, but I didn't receive any notification till now.
You did not receive the message right now.
Yes.
Right now, I have just returned the only subjective, okay? Objective is not returned.
Mm. Sir, now it's sent.
You have
Thank you.
received.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Safi Siddiqui. Okay, I will just take two more questions and then I will go to.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, I'm saying that the assignment which you have given, the make animation,
Okay.
so you are on the end deadline is tomorrow. Yes, on Tuesday. So are you going to present that on Tuesday or on Wednesday?
Yeah, though, have you submitted?
Yes, I have submitted already, but tomorrow is the last date. So you
Okay,
will
okay.
show it.
Okay, yeah, I will share those who have done that work. At that was basically an activity, and I told you that if you will do this activity, so it's better. It was not compulsory. It was to design a good animation, and I have given, I think, one topic over there. So let me check those who have submitted. Make an animation. You are talking about this one. Okay. So I think six students in B1B have submitted. Yeah. So why I'm able to see the Word files? Word files are not required. I need to have the Flash file only. Flash assignment. There should be Flash assignment dot .fla file should be there. Okay. So let me check anyone. Of course, I will have to download it because the Google Classroom does not support it, and I had told you that it will not show you its actual icon. When you will download it, right now, just like I am downloading one file by Aris. Okay, file has been downloaded. I will go and I will see that this is the file. Then I will open Flash and I will go to my open command and I will find out this file in the downloads. I can see that this is the file, which it is sent by uh, one or more fonts by this movie are not available. Substitute fonts. Use default. Okay. This is the file created by Aris. Okay, good Aris. All the students can see this animation. This file has been shared by Aris. Okay, and I am happy to see Aris. Can you tell me the procedure you have drawn the balloons by yourself? Balloons he has drawn his himself. Stars he has drawn by polygon tool. Yes. Image he has taken. You can see he has taken one image. Definitely he would not have drawn this image. He has taken this image from the internet to make this. Okay. We can check one more over here. Word file, definitely word file. I'm unable to understand how the word file will be opened. Okay. We share by Sarim. So it was basically an assignment to improve your skills. Okay, Sarim has sent the uh, direct SWF file. This is a good thing. The file which is published file, okay? It is not the FLA file, so we can directly play it from here, or even if I want to download it, I can. So when you have published the file in SWF format or export the file in SWF format or MP4 format, then what happens that you are able to use that particular file, and you can download that file quite easily in any of these softwares. Just like this is the file that I can see over here, MP4 file. Okay, let me try this file in the real player or inside movie maker or something else. We can, although we can directly play this one over here as well. Just like when I click, you can see that he has created one effect of the cloud. This is by Sarim Nawaz. Okay, he has created the effect of the cloud, and one character is there. I don't know what it is called, but I would like to ask about it from the Sarim. And he has drawn the hut. I will ask him as well about it, that he has taken the image or he has drawn. Sarim, will you raise the hand so that I can see you? Yes. Sarim, will you tell us about this hut? You have drawn it or you have taken the image?
Assalamualaikum, sir. I have drawn it.
Drawn it. Good. Now you can see that he has shown the snowfall effect actually. And what is this character called? What that you have shown over here?
Sir, it's a snowman.
Snowman. Sorry, yeah, I forgot. It is a snowman. So snowman is there, and the snowfall is there, and it is a good effect. And some snow is there at the top of the hut as well. And then their text comes. Basically, one text is scrolling from left to right for Happy New Year. So it is a good effect, and I appreciate this effort. And that was basically the reason to give you this friendly assignment. I did not compel you. You have to do. You have. It's basically on your interest. If you are interested, of course, you are going to design good things. Okay. So this thing I appreciate it a lot. Such kind of projects that you are making. I will check one or two more. Uh, just like Shahir. Okay, I also download it. The file is there with the name of Happy New Year. Similarly, one file is there by Rayan Mehdi. Okay, so these are the FLA files. I will have to go to Flash to open these files. One file and one this file. Okay, so this file untitled Happy New Year, it is by Shahir. Yes, but I am unable to see the animation in it. So one lacking is there. There should be animation. Okay, so animation is not there. The moving effect is not there in this file. One file is there by the Rayan Mehdi. He has taken image. When you are taking image, try to take such image. If you are drawing on white background, so take the image with the white background, or take PNG file which does not have any background. Just like you will see that in this case that we had shared about from the RS. So he has taken the image which is containing the white background, so it is not creating a bad effect. Okay, and the better way is that, just like I shared with you the Sarim Nawaz file, in which he used one image that he himself has drawn that thing. Okay, so that's why that creates a better effect, because it will not have any problem with the background. Over here it is clearly showing you that this image is basically image, separate image, and it seems that it is not the part of the animation. It seems that it is entirely totally separate from the animation. So that's why we should take such image which creates an effect of the image. Okay, so these are the files. Word file, I'm unable to use the word file because word file is of course not a flash file. So these students, they should try it again, and they should send, either make this file mp4 file, the published file, or you send us the flash file. Okay, so let me see in the same P1C as well, what is the status about the P1C activity that I had given. Only two students have submitted the flash file, Hamza Khan and Musa Ishtiyaq. Okay, let me open it. Musa Ishtiyaq, Happy New Year, and Hamza Khan file computer.fla. Now I open this file. This is Hamza Khan's file. Okay, again good effect. And he has used on the timeline, you can see he has used up to 50 frames. But the teddy bear which is shown over here, he is not having any animation. Okay, but all the other rest of the things are there, which are there, which these are in animation. So it is also very good. And you can see the movement of the Happy New Year. Happy New Year is coming from left to right, and then Happy New Year is moving round. So this is also a very good thing. But let me check it, what he has done with the Happy New Year. Okay, okay, Hamza, will you raise the hand, Hamza Khan? Hamza, you have made this animation.
Yes, sir.
What about this Happy New Year? How you have created? I cannot see any further keyframes over here. What did you do with this? This is a GIF file.
Sir, first, yes, sir. I take it from internet.
You took it internet. You have made this animation yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is not a GIF file. It is a JPEG file.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. Good.
I rotate it using the transform tool.
Yeah, I have understood. That's why I'm saying, okay, first he brought the object over here in this way from left to right. Then he started from 25 frame. He started applying free transform tool to rotate it, to make a movement. This is called basically creativity. And that was the answer that I wanted to know from him. He told me that he used the rotation tool. This is the tool, free transform tool, using which you can rotate one object, the position. Good. It is also a very good, very good creativity that we can see over here. And animation submitted by Musa Ishtiyaq, because there are only two students, so I'm going to open their files as well. Okay, so this is the file. He has taken one background image. Musa Ishtiyaq has taken simple animation, one background image which is static. So what he has done one background image from frame 1 to frame 45, which is static. Nothing is happening with it. And then there is basically animation in the in this 2021, which is moving from left to right. So it is basically a simple animation. Those made by taking two layers only, and I am very happy to see this all creativity that you people have done over here. And this is a good sign that you spend some time on it and you made a good animation. Okay, let me check. There are one, two, three, four students. Omar Jasim, your class is P1B. Note it down. Omar Jasim, can you raise the hand? Yes. Omar, your class is P1B. Raise the hand. Yes, I have unmuted you. Omar, can you
Sir,
listen to me?
my
Your class is,
class teacher give me the class code of this.
yeah, see on the screen and note it down. Note it down right now. This is your class. Next time you are not going to submit at the wrong place. Quickly note it down. You need to be in your correct class. Otherwise, it will be a problem. Okay. And I remember that you had submitted your work, even your class monthly test in P1A. P1A is basically a separate girls section. You are not supposed to submit the work over here. Note it down quickly. I'm removing it from here. Um Now, let me show you. There are three animations. One by Salaf Ibrahim. Let me download it. Okay. One activity is there by Hiba Imran. Let me download it and then I'm going to share these four as well. So that all the students can see the work. These are also your class fellows and they have spared some time to do this activity. And I appreciate this thing. Okay. So I am unable to see over here. Activity lab 1. Okay. So this is the work basically done by Salaf Ibrahim, in which she has used that lab activity, and basically it is about that lab activity. Okay, fine. So you have to do, Salaf, you have to do it for the Happy New Year, the thing that I had given. Okay, so this is the file submitted by Hiba Imran. Let me run it. We see that what kind of animation. Hiba, this does not contain any animation, any moving object. Although there are some things. Yes, there is, I think, some problem in layer 1. Okay, before going towards some other things, all the students will keep the cameras closed. Keep the cameras closed and lower the hands. Let me mark the attendance. All the students just lower the hands. Okay, so we have got this. I said lower the hands. Let me mark the attendance. Let me mark the attendance. Okay. So we have got Aris Khan to Amina Mustafa. Just a minute. Aris Khan to Amina Mustafa. Then Ibrahim bin Waqar. Then Muhammad Shahir. Then Sarim Nawaz. Then Muhammad Hussain and Varisha. Okay. Okay, fine. So we were seeing this one. So there is some issue with this layer number 1. Okay. And layer number 1, you want to move, I think, Happy New Year, and the Happy New Year is not moving. So we can fix this issue. And there isn't any other animation. We should have at least one. Okay, so we can take this object out of the because there should be one frame which is basically called the, this is basically called the keyframe. So I am cutting it from here. If you cut it from here, if you remove all the frames, remove twin and remove frames, so then we can insert one keyframe, insert keyframe, and we can paste the object over here. This is the object. Now it will be visible. Just like I am placing it at the top, and when I run the animation, I press F6 and I bring it over here. Then it is possible that it is going to show it one animation in this way. So there is a little bit issue, but you can resolve that issue. Create to in motion. You can resolve that issue, and then it is going to show you the animation in this way. Okay. Another image was there. It has been removed, so you have to fix it. Fine. Okay. So this is basically a good work shared by the students. Arham Arshad, who is she? I think she has not used her own name. I have mentioned this thing a number of times whenever you are doing. So you should use your own name, not parents' names. So, and no file is there. You can see over here, sometime you people submit and I'm unable to see the file. This is the case. Just like right now over here, no file is there. So how will you say that I have submitted? Either you did not submit or you did not click on the turn in button in a proper way. That's why you tried it at some time, but you did not click the turn in button. I am unable to see the file. The file is not uploaded. Okay. So this happens sometime. You need to be careful about it. Just like Umar Jasim has submitted. Umar, I am removing your name from here and you have to submit it again in P1B. Okay. I will remove your name from this class. Just like one file I have downloaded. Let me close these files which are going to slow down the flash. Okay, this is a work, Umar Jasim, similar to that work that we had done. You have changed some different star colors. Anyway, it is also a good effort. But especially I appreciated some students over here and those who have done it in a proper way. So you, all of you should, those who are left, those who have not submitted anything, try to make one animation and just submit it. So it will not be a problem. So next time, in 1 day or two, try and submit it. Okay. I'm giving you 2 days for it. Try and just submit it. Yasir, whether you want to ask something, I will not be able to take all the questions because very short time is there. Yasir, whether you want to ask something, Yasir, I have unmuted you. I'm unable to listen to you. Amina Mustafa.
Sir, I just wanted to ask that this activity is, do it carries marks?
No, this activity does not contain any mark. Everything is not there for the marks. This is for your creativity. This is basically to enhance your skill.
Okay.
Yeah. And I had already mentioned this thing. Heather Sultan. Yes, Heather, quickly.
Sir,
I have unmuted you. I am able to listen to you. Quickly. Ask your question.
sorry. Sir, I want to ask you a thing that due tomorrow the activity of the Happy New Year.
Yeah, I have said that those who have not submitted, they should try and they should try to submit some work, okay, in this
Okay, sir.
activity. This was the simple thing that I mentioned. Yes, Heather, I have unmuted you. I'm unable to listen to you. I think there is some mic problem. Okay, Maida, yes, what is your question? Maida, you have raised the hand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, I want to ask, can I submit it today?
Yeah, there isn't any timeline. I said it is just an activity. Don't consider it some kind of burden. I have told this. There isn't any mark for it. It is just to see the creativity of the students, and I was happy to see some students' creativity that they have created. So it is basically for skill development. Nothing is there for marks. Nothing is there for deadline or timeline. 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, 4 days. In this week, you can submit, and I will share some good samples. I will spare one class, just like today I have shared some samples. So, and I will share some good samples over here, not for those students for whom I have already done. For those who will submit new students, those who will submit, those who have not submitted yet. So I will go and I will open their files from here, from their classes, and then I will show those files over here on the screen. This is basically the objective, so that the other students could be motivated. Just like today, I have shown you the Sarim's work was good, Ari's work was very good, Safi's work was good. So there were some good samples, and I was happy to see those, and there was a creativity as well.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, Ji. So inshallah, we will discuss all the rest of the things in the next class. Now our class time is over. Thank you so much, all of you.